Hey, good morning, everyone. Just starting out my day today. I'm gonna go for a little walk on the beach and show you around. And as I'm having a morning drink here on my balcony, two red scarlet macaws just flew into this almendro tree, one of their favorite foods. So, the red scarlet macaw is the national bird of Costa Rica. As you can see right there, it's an amazing, beautiful bird. Right there on the tree, there's his tail. So another day in paradise. I hope everyone's doing well. Going for a quick walk on the beach. This is second day here. Tomorrow I'm going to be getting a car. My friend still has that 4Runner that I used last time available, so talked to him yesterday, and it's awesome. Gonna have transportation. So right now it's a little overcast, but it's nice and comfortable. I'm enjoying my stay here so far. What's not to enjoy about this beach? Every morning, I usually like to start my day with a walk on the beach, and then I'll do some laps in the pool a little later after lunch. Today I'm just going to be hanging out, relaxing. One of the things I love about Costa Rica, not only the great climate, but the nature. You know, it's a beautiful country. Its biodiversity is incredible. So put it on your list if you haven't been here before. It's definitely worth the trip. And this here is right after Semana Santa. It's the big holiday here in Costa Rica. So in the morning, the beach is pretty empty, which is okay.
It's a good mixture of privately owned homes on this side of Jaco and small boutique hotels, condominiums, where on the north side there's more of the towers of the condominiums.
I stayed here before this was Hotel 9, used to be called El Bago. And this guy, Roger, is the owner, cool cat. He since passed and ended up moving to Panama. But this place used to be just 2 stories, and he sold this and they added a 3rd story. It's a little pricey, but it is right here on the beach. I don't know what they charge now, but the bungalows there in the back are really nice. It's a cool dog. Poor guy. He's still enjoying the beach even without legs. So there's no excuse. Get out there, enjoy life, make the best of it. You only have this one life.
I don't know what kind of tree this is with all this splintered roots, but it's pretty cool. And I want to thank everyone for stopping by. I'm going to end this video here, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.